Hello friends and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to fix Nioh 3 game fatal error, insufficient VRAM. Please close all running applications. Or if you are getting another fatal error DXGI error device removed. So if you are getting these two error in Nioh 3 game, then here follow the fixes. Now the first fix is to simply restart your PC. So just restart your PC, and after your PC restart, then go ahead, launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. Fix 2. Set use 3D application settings in Nvidia app. So open Nvidia app. Now if you don't have the Nvidia app, then you can go to this website, that is a Nvidia official website, and then you can download the Nvidia app and install it. And after installing it, open the Nvidia app, and after opening the Nvidia app, go to graphics, go to global settings, and here you will see DLSS override super resolution mode. Click on this pencil icon to edit it, and from the drop down here select use 3D app settings default, and then hit on apply, and then close it, and then go ahead, launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. Fix 3 is to modify the game launch options. You can try -DX11 or -DX12. So open Steam, go to library, right click on Nioh 3 game, select properties. Now in the launch options type -DX11, close the tab, launch the game and check. If that doesn't work, then again go to properties, and this time type -DX12, close the tab and then launch the game and check. If it's still not working, then again go to properties, remove the launch options and follow other fixes mentioned in this video. Fix 4 is to run the game from the game installation folder, or try running the game as an administrator, or try running the game in compatibility mode. So open Steam, go to library, right click on Nioh 3 game and select manage, and then click on browse local files. It will open the game installation folder. Now double click the Nioh 3 exe file and check if your problem is solved or not. If not, then right click on it and then select properties. Then go to the compatibility tab and check mark run this program as an administrator, hit apply, OK, and then launch the game from the game installation folder from here itself and check if your problem is solved or not. If not, then check mark run this program in compatibility mode from drop down, select Windows 8, hit apply, OK, and then launch the game and check. If it's still not working, then select Windows 7 from drop down, hit apply, OK, and then launch the game and check. If it's still not working, then check mark disable full screen optimization option as well, hit apply, OK, and then launch the game and check. Now if it's still not working, then untick all these 3 boxes, hit apply, OK, and then follow other fixes mentioned in this video. Fix 5 is to Windows security users allow the game exe file to control folder access and firewall. So in Windows search type Windows security and open it. Then click on virus and threat protection. Scroll down, click on manage ransomware protection. Click on allow an app through control folder access. Click yes to allow. Click on add an allowed app. Click on browse all apps. Now go to the game installation folder. So open C drive, open program files x86 folder, open Steam folder, open Steam apps folder, open common folder, open the Nioh 3 folder, and then select this Nioh 3 exe file and then click on open to add it to the list. Now go back, click on firewall and network protection, click on allow an app through firewall, click on change settings, click on allow another app, click on browse, and then go to the game installation folder. Open C drive, open program files x86 folder, open Steam folder, open Steam apps folder, open common folder, open the Nioh 3 folder, select this Nioh 3 exe file and then click on open and then click on add. After adding it, make sure both private and public is tick marked, then click on OK to save changes, and then you can go ahead, launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. Now if you're using any third-party antivirus programs such as Komodo, Avast, Kaspersky, AVG, McAfee, Norton, Bitdefender or ESET, then allow the game exe files to your antivirus program as well. Or you can simply turn off your antivirus program and then check. Later you can turn on your antivirus program. Fix 6 is to verify the game files. So open Steam, go to library, right click on Nioh 3 game and then select properties. Go to install files tab and then click on verify integrity of game files. And after the verification has been done, then you can go ahead, launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. Fix 7 is to perform a clean installation of graphic card driver. So if you have Nvidia graphic card driver, then go to this Nvidia website. If you have AMD graphic card driver, then go to this AMD website. And if you have Intel graphic card driver, then go to this Intel website. Links are provided in my video description. So you have to search and select your correct graphic card driver version and then reinstall it. And then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. For example, I am showing the example of Nvidia graphic card driver. So go to this Nvidia website, and once you're on this Nvidia website, scroll down and here select your graphic card driver version over here, and then select Windows operating system and then click on find. Then you have to download and install the GeForce Game Ready driver. So whatever is the latest version, you have to download and install it. The current latest version is 591.86. So click on this view, then click on download, and once this exe file get downloaded, then run the downloaded exe file and select yes to allow, and then click OK. You will see this screen. Click on agree and continue button, then select custom advanced option. So select this custom advanced option and then hit on next. Then tick mark perform a clean installation box and then hit on next. And after the clean installation of graphic card driver is done, just restart your PC and then you can launch the game and check. Fix 8 is to install Visual C++ files. So go to this website, link is provided in my video description, and once you are on this website, scroll down and download both x64 version and x86 version. Download both the version. First run the x64 version. If you see repair option, then click on repair, and if you see install option, then click on install and install it. Next click on x86 version. If you see repair option, then click on repair, and if you see install option, then click on install and install it. And then just restart your PC once. Don't forget to restart your PC. And after your PC restart, go ahead, launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. Fix 9 is to disable overlay. So open Steam, go to library, right click on Nioh 3 game, select properties and enable the Steam overlay while in game. After disabling it, launch the game and check. If that doesn't work, then enable it and follow other fixes mentioned in this video. Disable Discord overlay, launch Discord on your PC, then click on gear icon in the app bottom left corner, click on game overlay on the left panel and then toggle off the enable in-game overlay. Disable Nvidia overlay, open Nvidia GeForce Experience settings general, turn off in-game overlay. Similarly, disable overlay in all apps or close all other overlay apps such as GeForce Experience, Nvidia Shadowplay overlay, AMD overlay, and then launch the game and check. Fix 10 is to run the game on dedicated graphic card driver. So in Windows search type graphic settings and open it. Then click on add desktop app and then go to the game installation folder. So open C drive, open program files x86 folder, open Steam folder, open Steam apps folder, open common folder, open Nioh 3 folder. Then select this Nioh 3 exe file and then click on add. After adding it, look for it. Here it is, expand it, and next to GPU preference, select high performance, and then you can go ahead, launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. Fix 11 is to delete Nioh 3 saved game folder. Now please take a note, you will lose all the saved game progress as well as saved settings. So keep the backup of this folder to desktop first. So here how to do it. Open C drive, open users folder, open your username folder, open app data folder. Now if you don't see app data folder over here, then select view, show and check mark hidden items, and then open the app data folder, then open local folder and then look for the Kuwait Tecmo folder, open it, and here you will see Nioh 3 folder. First right click on it, copy it and then go to desktop and paste it to keep the backup of this folder. After keeping the backup, right click on it and then select delete to delete it. Now you can go ahead, launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. Fix 12 is to close conflicting or unnecessary programs. So disconnect external USB drive, mouse, disconnect additional joystick controllers, multiple monitors connected to PC, unplug the Logitech or Thrustmaster racing wheel, and the task for Afterburner, RivaTuner, HW Info, Razer Synapse or MSI Dragon Center from Task Manager. Close all of your tabs to free up RAM and then relaunch the game and check. Fix 13 is to update Windows. So go to Windows settings. On the left click on Windows Update and then click on check for updates. And if there are any updates available, then download and install them and then just restart your PC once. After your PC restart, go ahead, launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. Now, if none of the solution work for you, then the last solution is to uninstall and reinstall the game. So simply uninstall the Nioh 3 game from your PC and then just restart your PC and then reinstall the Nioh 3 game to C drive, SSD drive. If already installed in C drive, then try installing it to another SSD drive or external SSD drive, and then you can go ahead, launch the game and check if your problem is fixed or not. So I hope by following these fixes you can easily solve fatal error insufficient VRAM, please close all running applications, or fatal error DXGI error device removed in the Nioh 3 game. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and share this video, and also subscribe to my YouTube channel to get the latest updates. Thank you.